video, we are going to talk about multiplying numbers, let's say of the form 3 to 8, with numbers which are of the form 9999 and so on. Okay, so there's basically numbers which comprise of 9. How do you multiply other numbers with such numbers? So there are three cases possible here. Case 1, the number being multiplied is with a number 999, right? The number of digits in here and in here are exactly the same. So that's the first case. So in this case, we are going to have the answer which will be formed by joining two numbers, right? The first number, let me call prefix, and the second number, let me call suffix. So the first number is going to be just simply subtract 1 from the first number, 328. This is going to give us my prefix, and the second number is simply going to be the complement of number 328. Now you would remember that we've learned how to calculate complements. So complements are simply just subtract the last digit from 10. So it's 10 minus 8 is 2, and subtract all the other digits from 9. So 2 goes, so 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, right? So we'll just combine this prefix and this suffix. So this is 328 minus 1 gives me 327 and 672. This is my answer. Now in the second case, what we see, what is possible is that the number 328 is actually being multiplied by another number, multiplied with another number which has a greater number of nines. Okay, the number of digits of this number, which is made up of only nines as its digits, is greater than the number which is multiplying with it, right? Now in this case, again I will do the same method. The only difference being that this time the thing that I did with 328, this time I'm going to do with 00328. Now notice that I've added 2 zeros to make the number of digits of this number equivalent to number of digits on this number. So my prefix, like last time, is 00328 minus 1, followed by my suffix, which is a complement of this number 00328. Now because this is 5 digits, so I'm going to subtract 8 from 10, I'm going to subtract 2 from 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus this 0 is 9, right? So I have 328 minus 1, 327, and joined by 99672. This is my answer. So you would notice that both these cases are pretty similar. The only difference is that if the number of nines is greater, I just add as many zeros here to make this number a different number, and then I do the same arithmetic with it. I just subtract first to get my prefix, and then I find the complement of this number to get my suffix. But things change a little when the number I'm multiplying is larger than the number comprising only nines. Okay, so in this case you would notice that this number has 3 digits and the 99 number has just 2 digits. Now in this case, what we do is we separate the 3 and the 28. Now you notice that the 28, right, I've picked up the 2 digits. I've picked up 2 digits starting from the right hand side, and these 2 digits are exactly equal to the number of nines that I have here, right? And then what I have on the other side, so what I do for my prefix this time is I just pick up 328, the entire number. Okay, I subtract not only this number that I formed by separating out all the rest of the digits, all the superfluous digits, I subtract 3 from here and I subtract an additional 1, right? This is going to be my prefix now. For my suffix, however, all I'm going to do is find out the complement of 28. Okay, complement of 28. So you notice how this is different. Now in this case, what I've done is the number of 9s that I had, I count those digits, I separate out this number 328 into 28 and 3. Now for my prefix, what I'm doing is I'm subtracting not only 3 but an additional 1 from 328, the full number, and then for my complement I'm just finding out the complement of 28. Okay, so I get 328 minus 4 is 324, and the complement of 28 is I subtract 8 from 10 to get a 2, and then I subtract 2 from 9, right? I get a 7, and I join these. My answer is 32472. Okay, I hope this is clear.